Stay to the outside of those cones,
Scared
don't
the
swallow
heck
them.
out of me.
Outside?
All the way down to each stalk. That's where it scared me. GLH.
That'll bring down your time.
827 at 38,510. Yeah, when I touch the throttle anymore, my tires don't go. Kind of go